Mae Clwb Bocsio Dowlais yn dal I fod mor boblogaidd ac eriod wrth I focswyr ifanc y dre ddysgu I crefft gan ddau o'r to hŷn fi'n ddigon ffodus I gael I hyfforddi gan un o gewri'r gamp, Iestyn Jones.
At one time, Iestyn Jones, and it's never been known before, and I don't think it's been known again. Iestyn Jones had the whole well side, from the flyweight, that was me, from flyweight, right up to light heavyweight. He didn't have heavyweight, and that's all. Only one in the well side was out to knock in Iestyn Jones' gym.
Yeah.
All of them?
Every one of them.
Good gosh.
All fighting away at the same time.
So who's that then?
That's me and Winston. You're a good team. For me there, you're a good team. We had a bit of fun, man.
Mae'n amlwg fod bocsio yn y gwad y Merthyr, ac mae'r genhedlaeth nesa yr un mor awyddus I rannu profiadau. Be ti'n licio am ddod, Merthyr?
Dwi'n hoffi cadw heini. Dwi'n credu bod mae'n hwyl a...
Sicr, a mae'n dod â lliw'r bochen yn dweud. Reit, fi'n gwisgo rein, felly ti'n meddwl dylen ni drio cael tro bach ar hwn?
Fi neu ti?
Wel, cer di gynta a wedyn a fi, iawn.
Yn gyntaf y jab.
Jab gynta,
Ie.
okay. Jab, reit.
Cadw e lan.
Cadw e lan?
Ie.
A bwrw'n galed?
A bwrw'n galed. A trio pai chwerthin.
A trio...